Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Ren. So we're continuing the content for this Bakit Single Ka Pa Rin book of Sir Velden Lim. So we're talking about the chapter 2. So sa chapter 2 naman is bahala na si Batman. Okay. For this chapter 2, tinakal lang dito is yung regarding sa tatlong magkakaibigan, si Marvin, Mario, and Arnold. So, tuwing kumakain kasi sila is, tuwing tanghali kapag kumakain sila, nagulat sila kasi dahil yung ulam nila is yung ulam nilang dala-dala is pare-pareho siya. So, sabi nila araw-araw na lang daw na ginawa ng Diyos is tuyo yung baon niya, for example. I mean, kay Marvin. And then, sabi niya, bukas kapag tuyo pa rin yung ulam or yung baon ko, tatalo na talaga ako dito sa rooftop. Tapos, tumawa yung dalawa niyang kasama. Sabi niya, tapos, yun pala, yung dalawang kasama niya, is same din yung daladala nila. So, sabi nila, if ever man kinabukasan, same pa din yung ulam or yung baon nila is sasama na lang sila kay Marvin sa pagtalon sa building. And then, ayun na nga, nung kinaumagahan, kinabukasan, pag-check nila ng kanilang mga lunchbox, yung mga baon nila is same pa din, kaya tumalon sila. So, tatlo yun sila, sumunod yung isa kasi ganun din yung kanya. Tapos nung nasa kanilang burol na, magkakatabi daw yung kanilang mga kabaong is dumating yung nanay ni Marvin. So, iyak siya ng iyak kasi akala daw ng nanay niya is paborito niya yung tuyo. Kaya araw-araw niyang niluluto para sa kanya. And then, narinig yun ng mother naman ni Mario. So, sabi niya ganun din daw siya. Pareho daw pala sila, akala niya tilapia din yung favorite nung anak niya. Tapos habang umiiyak silang dalawa, dumating naman is yung nanay naman nung si Arnold. Tinanong siya kung nagkamali din daw ba, yung pinabaon ba is paborito rin ni Arnold. Tapos lalong lumakas daw yung iyak nung nanay ni Arnold. Sabi niya, hindi, yun na nga rin yung hindi ko maintindihan. Sa araw-araw naman kasi ng ginawa ng Diyos, si Arnold naman yung naghahanda ng baon niya. Ayun. So, ang tanong dito, ikaw, kamusta yung lunchbox mo? Ayan. So, yun nga. In life kasi, you prepare your own lunch, sabi dito sa libro. If you don't like what you're seeing and getting, all you need to do is change it. Ayun. So, doon tayo mag-focus sa if you don't like what you're seeing, all you have to do is change it. So, our problem kasi is that we keep on complaining about our situation, yet we don't exert any effort to change it. We expect to get different results, yet we keep doing the same thing. So, ganun din daw sa love life mo. You might notice that you have relationship and dating patterns. So, and if you look closely, you will see that it's repetitive. Focus tayo dun sa bakit single ka pa rin. If personally we're talking kung bakit single pa rin ako, maybe because I don't want things to be, yun nga, dahil alam ko na how things, or probably it will, parang mas mataas yung chances na it'll turn the same way it did on the only relationship I had. So I don't want things to, you know, ayoko yung kung paano kami nagsimula is gano'n na naman, or yung pattern na inallow ko during the relationship to na maging gano'n naman. I don't know if you get it. Yun, alam mo yun. Pero I'm not trying to parang like it's everything is bad dun sa previous relationship ko, of course. Kasi hindi ko, of course, hindi ko siya papapasukin sa buhay ko if Alam mo yun? Kasi marami man akong maling desisyon na nagawa, pero I usually tend to protect, somehow protect myself, alam niyo yun? Whenever I'm in a situation, no matter how, siguro may mga times na like marami akong nasasabi agad without even thinking, which is I'm working on it. Kasi parang sobrang bilis kong magalit or anything and ang dami kong nasasabi. So I'm changing it kasi nga if I keep on repeating on that attitude, so yung lahat ng complications na nadadala ng actions or ng ugali na yun is paulit-ulit ko siyang may experience. Yun. So, I'm not throwing shade or anything from my previous relationship kasi okay naman na kami. At some point, naiintindihan ko yung sinasabi na 'to. Kasi yun nga, everything that happened previously, hindi lang dun sa relationship na meron ako kundi sa mga taong na-encounter ko, ayoko nang gawin yun ulit. Especially doon sa mga taong talagang naging invested ako or talagang nagkaroon ako ng time na talagang in-endure ko yung nangyari. So, iniiwasan ko na yun kasi I don't want to put myself in a situation na gano'n na naman. So, ayun. So, yun din siguro yung sagot sa title natin na bakit single ka pa rin. Kasi, alam mo yun, mahirap, mahirap ng masaya siya, yes. For me lang to, not applicable to everyone, but for me, yes, masaya siya sa start and everything. Pero, yung mga bagay kasi na inallow ko or I let it happen, I let it slide, I've seen signs, yet in-ignore ko siya, yun yung I wanna prevent na. Kasi we need change. Hindi natin pwedeng hindi tayo puwedeng mag-expect ng ibang results kung pare-pareho pa rin yung mga actions or yung mga tao o ugali na inaalaw natin sa buhay natin. Maybe kung gusto mong sige, let's say hindi natin maiwasan, bigyan mo ng chance, baka mag-work, okey, baka mag-work. So baka mag-work, okey. Okey, sige, just give yourself the parang, "Okey, go, sige bigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo kung gusto mo talaga." Pero if it'll probably end up the same way dun sa first time na it happened, okay? And of course, let me remind you rin, meron lang iilang bagay na pwede nating ulitin, okay? Okay, may mga bagay na pwede nating i-allow or para sa other person, meron silang mga bagay na dapat hanggang dun lang, okay? Dapat magkaroon kayo ng boundaries for yourself or ng, ano bang tawag dito, line, na once they cross that line, bitiw na tayo, ano, bitiw na. It's easier said than done, but it would be easier for you in the future if you did it earlier. Alam mo yun? I mean, yeah, maybe yung tagal na meron kayo, yung, for example, let me be clear na lang, for example, cheating, okay? Cheating. Cheating, of course, iba-iba tayo ng sitwasyon, ng relationship, ng kung gaano man katagal. sobrang dami niyong kailangang i-consider kasi buhay niyo yan. Sitwasyon niyo yan, wala ako sa shoes ninyo, but, you know, um, if you think, if yung reason lang kung bakit niyo kinonsider ulit to let them be in your life again is yung time na meron kayo or yung tagal na meron kayo or yung mga ginawa niya na naisip mo, ganito siya sa akin, ganito siya sa akin dati, ganito siya. Isang beses lang naman siya nag-cheat. Yung mga ganon. Bitawan niyo na. Bitawan niyo na yan. Bitawan niyo na. Okay? If yun lang, yung mga reason like yung tagal and everything, sayang yung 10 years, sayang yung 5 years, um, sweet naman siya, ganito, ganyan. Lagi niya naman akong sinasamahan, ganito. Siguro nagkulang lang ako sa oras kaya niya nagawa. Yung mga ganun, ay, iwanan niyo na please. I mean, the more, the more na pinapatawad niyo sila is the more na, I mean, if you let them disrespect you once, they'll probably do it again. Alam mo yun? Cheating is cheating regardless regardless of the situation or yung wala ka ng time and everything. Yes, you need to assess yourself then kasi you might probably, alam mo yun, naubusan ka na talaga siguro ng time, wala ka ng time para sa mga usual ninyo, ganyan, ganyan. But they need to meet halfway. You need to meet halfway. Kasi yung relationship is within or sa inyong dalawa. So, you need to arrange or to, alam mo yun, pag-usapan. Kasi if dinisrespect ka niya once and he cheated on you because naubusan ka na ng time, for example, sa ating mga working girlies, I mean, hindi naman ako na-cheat, napag-cheatan ha. If ever, sa ating working girlies, or syempre sa boys or anything, if ever, yun yung reason, kasi alam mo, pag pinatawad mo siya, ito lang ha, is my opinion, it is what I stand for. Once done, uulitin nila yon. Lalo na kung cheating is cheating kasi walang ganito, walang ganyan, ganyan. So, ayun, once na pinatawad niyo siya, iisipin nila na the next time they'll do it, papatawarin mo rin sila ulit. Alam mo yun? Most probably kasi karamihan sa kanila, they'll be sorry kasi you found out. But if you didn't, malamang tinuloy-tuloy nila yun. Alam mo yun? Malamang tinuloy-tuloy nila yun. So, yeah. Kung ang kinoconsider mo lang is yung tagal na meron kayo, yung pagiging mabuti niya sa'yo. Kasi kung talagang mabuti siya sa'yo, dapat is, alam mo yun, dapat hindi niya ginawa yun. Okay lang naman maging single so far, for me. Alam mo yun? Pero kailangan ko rin mag-ingat. Okay lang maging single actually. Or baka takot kang maging single, nasanay kang may kasama. Kaya mo yan. Iniisip mo lang yan. Alam nyo ba, nung nakipag, nung nakipaghiwalay ako, akala ko hindi ko rin kaya. Though, sobra talaga. Like, gusto ko pa, ako yung nakipaghiwalay, 'di ba? Pero nakipag-usap pa ako. Nakipag-usap pa ako. Gumawa pa ako ng way. Like, pwede ba tayong mag-usap? Ganon. Auntie, gusto ko pang ayusin. I hope you don't get to experience being cheated on. But if you did, and yung time lang na ng relationship ninyo tsaka yung mga previous na actions niya sa'yo, yung pag-aalaga niya and iniisip mo na hindi mo kaya, kaya mo yan. Kaya niyo yan. Okay? Kaya niyo yan. Ganun talaga kapag ano, spare yourself from ano, kasi magiging ano lang yan, once na feeling nila okay sa inyo or papatawarin niyo sila, parang magiging excuse na lang nila yun. Ah, papatawarin naman ako niya, no? Okay lang 'to. Ah, hindi naman 'to malala. Mas malala nga yung dating ginawa ko, eh, pinatawad niya nga ako. Oh, 'di ba? Hmm, wala naman 'to, hindi naman 'to gano'n. Pinatawad niya nga ako nung ginawa ko 'to. Akala nila okay na lang kasi okay lang sa'yo kasi takot kang mawala sila. Alam mo nung time na yun, ah, sobrang ano rin talaga, sobrang ang dami ko talagang naging plano din sa relationship na yun. Looking back, siguro kaya rin tinatawanan niya ako, sabi niya, "Anong trauma-trauma?" Gano'n. "Word lang 'yan, okey lang 'yan." Pero, pero na-trauma, siguro. Pero ano na 'yun, I mean, he's off na, parang hindi niya na 'yun cargo and he shouldn't. And I am glad na hindi niya na rin na-feel 'yun. Alam mo 'yun, hindi ko alam yung side of story niya, eh. We broke up through phone, kaya feeling ko na-scam ako, ah. Na-scam ako, but he took good care of me during those times. It just didn't work out. So, yeah, 'di na ako umulit. I mean, nakikipag-usap ako and everything, pero having that relationship kasi hindi ko rin nga alam. Sabi ko, "Oh, akala ko hindi ako magkaka-jowa." I'm the type of person, akala ko or siguro insecurities ko lang yun. Hope you don't fear change. Kasi sa life natin, I mean sa growth natin as a person, not on love life side, we need to grow or we need to have that change in order for us to, alam mo yun, to be flexible enough. We need to be flexible enough to change our course. I mean, yung path na kukunin natin. We can still have the same exact destination that we wanted, but not everything is aligned with what our plans are. Kaya, make sure to be flexible and be open to change. Okay? Be open to change. Right now, on growth, on self-growth, I'm starting, alam mo yun, nag-engage ako on different things. Sinusubukan ko yung sarili ko kung kaya ko ba to. Kasi I was so laid back, so into my safe zone or into my comfort zone na wala akong masyadong plan. Alam mo yun, let's just, parang ganun, let's just see where it goes. As long as I have work, as long as, alam mo yun, as long as I have this, as long as I pay my bills, I pay my utang and everything, I travel, bahala na. As long as I live in the moment, I live now. Dami kong unhealthy decisions, ano to, yung impulsive decisions during those times. So, I'm in the process of inaayos ko yun siya. Inaayos ko yun siya. This is the change that I'm currently doing para sa sarili ko. So, ganun din sa love life or anything. If you don't want things or kung ayaw mo yung situation na where you are, you should be able to or be be courageous enough to change or to make some changes within that relationship. No matter what relationship that is, if you don't like where you are, if you don't like what they made you feel, if you don't like what you're seeing, if you don't like what they are saying or whatever it is you or whatever situation they put you in, baguhin mo, okay? If you need to speak up for them to change, then do. If you need to leave, kasi alam mong wala na rin namang mangyayari kapag kinausap mo sila, then leave. Sa una mo lang yan, sa una lang yung feeling mo hindi mo kaya. Swear, parang ate niyo ako dito. I'm not experienced enough in life. Wala pa ako masyadong sobrang pinaghirapan maliban sa mga mental challenges na meron ako, emotional, na feeling ko unti-unti ko siyang wino-work out. Pero, ayun, I am willing to see your comments or if or questions, just drop them and I'll reply. Wow, daming viewers. Yeah. Hopefully, 'di ba? Why not? I hope this what I do right now is will grow in the future. But if not, this is my ano kasi, this is my parang diary na rin and to see ano bang stand ko sa mga ganong bagay. 'Di ba? Malay mo kailanganin ko pala 'to yung mga sinasabi ko. 'Di pala alam. Baka na makalimutan ko in the future, 'di. Panoorin ko lang siya, ay ito pala yung sinabi ko. Dapat pala ganito. Ay, bakit ako ganito, gano'n, 'di ba? Oh, at least this is a guide for my future self kasi para 'pag medyo nakakalimot-kalimot na ako, na medyo nagiging masyado ng malakas ang bugso ng damdamin, "Girl, stop." Assess, okay. I'm kidding. I mean, not entirely, yeah. But alam mo 'yun, may mga times talaga na sobra yung bugso ng damdamin natin. But 'yun, if you want things to change or if you don't want where you are, what situation you are in, you need to think if hindi, wag din naman yung sobra na like, ganun. Love yourself and learn about yourself, learn to talk, learn to talk to yourself with your thoughts and everything para ma-assess mo yung situation. Pag pag ayaw mo na talaga nun tapos yung mga factors na need na i-consider is hindi naman gano'n ka alam mo yun, 'di ba iba-iba tayo ng situation. For now, um, ang ma-explain ko lang is yun, yung may problem sa time and everything, kung nanghihinayang sa oras at tinagal, iwan niyo na. Hindi naman gano'n ka nakakatakot mag-isa. At saka hindi naman malungkot mag-isa, okey? Hindi naman ibig sabihin mag-isa ka, wala na yung kaibigan mo, ganyan, oo, baka mawala sila kapag taken na rin sila. Pero no, sobrang sarap rin ma-discover yung sarili niyo, swear. So yun, isa siguro din yun sa reason ko bakit single ako. Pero may crush ako, eme. Yeah, isa yun siguro sa reason bakit tumagal na single lang ako. May kinakausap and everything. Wala rin naman. I mean, yeah. Ang stand ko lang, ngayon kasi, the more na nagkaroon ako ng time to discover myself, syempre, 'di ba, ako yung nakipaghiwalay. So, yeah, nandun na tayo. I wanted the change kasi hindi na okay sa akin yung during the time na mga huling times na we're together. So, ayun, at dito pala yung sa binanggit ko kanina. Meron dito, 'di ba, yung stagnation versus growth. So, continuing with old methods and habits prevents progress and limits the potential for improvement. Adaptability and flexibility. Changes allow you to adapt to new situation, learn new skills, and develop resilience, which are essential in navigating a dynamic world. O, di ba? Ganon din yun. Ganon din yun. Um, kapag magstay kayo dyan na magstay, paulit-ulit lang kayo masasaktan, di ba? Ah, Kapagka nagawa mo na yun, like kaalis ka na sa sitwasyon, matututo ka ng mag-adapt kasi wala ka ng choice. Ikaw na lang. Tinakot, 'di ba? Hindi. Hindi nakakatakot mag-isa. Swear. Nakakatakot sa una kasi nasanay ka na ano, pero marami naman tao diyan na will be there for you. As much as possible, the yung time na, I mean, kung gaano ka ah, kung how you show up para sa ibang tao, make sure to be that person din sa sarili mo. Okay? So don't put yourself or don't stay in the situation where ayaw mo ng sitwasyon na yun. Okay? I'm not promoting yung paghihiwalay and everything, especially if may mga madadamay na, you know, if may mga madadamay na. But if you see the potential na kakayanin mo and you see na hindi sila capable yung other person na magbago for the benefit of the family you are building, then leave if early pa, 'di ba? Kasi syempre kapag ano na, you need to settle, wala tayong ano dito, 'di ba? Kasi uulit-ulitin lang 'yan, 'di ba? Madadamay pa yung ano. That's my stand, of course. And hindi tayo pareho ng tip, feeling na meron, ng emotions na meron. You just really need to reassess pa din. Okay? But if you see I'm more on ano kasi, siguro kaya ko rin to nasasabi. I'm more on, if dinadedehado na ako, I want to leave, of course. Regardless of the impact or yung emotions na meron ako dun sa relationship na yon, I will leave. Regardless kung alam ko naman, kasi alam ko naman alam ko yan, alam ko masasaktan ako, alam ko iyak ako, imagine, 'di ba? Alam ko, oh, 'di ba ngayon 'di na nga ako umulit. Oh, kasi iniiwasan ko na na mapunta ulit sa sitwasyon na gano'n. Kapagka nakitaan ko na ng traits yung mga taong interested sa akin dun sa traits ng napagdaanan ko or na-encounter ko ng mga tao, no na. Kasi hindi ako darating or hindi ko sila makakausap ulit if I wanted that attitude, that views in life. If I wanted that or if kaya ko yun i-endure, hindi ko sana nakilala yung ngayon, 'di ba? Tas sana nagstay ako dun sa dati. Alam mo yun? Hindi naman ako sobrang bait. Actually, hindi talaga ako mabait. To be honest, hindi ako mabait. Ma-attitude ako and everything and ganyan. I am often parang, hindi ko sure kung intimidating para sa kanila or ma-attitude lang talaga tingin nila sa akin. But yeah, ayoko na ditihado yung sarili ko as much as possible. Siguro may mga times na ano, pero yung mga times na like gidi-gidi na ako, like, ganyan, ganyan. Ilang beses ko yun pinag-isipan bago ko yun gawin, no? Like, kakayanin ko ba if it didn't work out? Okay lang ba sa akin? Kaya, every decision na gagawin ko, I wanna take full responsibility. I want, tama ba? I wanna take full responsibility of it. Yun. Kasi iniisip ko yan as an overthinker, iniisip ko yan bago ko gawin. Alam mo yun? Yeah. Don't be scared of change. Masakit siya, pero kaya mo yan. Kaya yan. Kapag ayaw mo na kasi sa sitwasyon, paulit-ulit na lang yan. If magsistay ka. Kapag nakikitaan mo pa ng chance to leave, leave. Pero, yun. Of course, after yun depende sa ng relationship ninyo. Tsaka yan cheating. Tsaka yung buhat ng kamay. Don't let others hurt you. Should be nga, hindi rin emotionally. Pero physically, that's a no-no. Please lang, Diyos ko. Huwag niyo hahayaan sinasaktan kayo, ha? Huwag niyong hahayaang sinasaktan kayo physically. Just ka. Hindi, huwag talaga. Kasi, uulit-ulitin lang yan. Please lang. Kung gusto nilang magstay sa buhay ninyo, dapat magbago din sila. Okay? Ganun lang yon. Relationship dapat both are willing to meet halfway at least. 'Di ba? Para naman hindi kasi sisihin ng isa na, kung binigay ko naman ang lahat sa'yo, ganyan-ganyan. Oh, di meet halfway. You need to understand the other person, then understand him. O, siya, kailangan niyang maintindihan ng stand mo, and dapat maintindihan ka rin niya, di ba? Meet halfway. Okay? Para mag-work, para hindi naman kayo maubos. Kasi kung siya lang nang siya, maubos yan siya. Of course. So, make sure, di ba? Kapag nabigay mo na, I mean, ibigay mo lahat ng efforts and everything. If it's still hindi niya nakita or hindi siya nagbago, then leave. Okay? Okay? Ako, I give everything. Lahat ng efforts and everything. Para kahit masakit, I live with no regrets. I did that. I did my part. Ngayon, kung hindi niya maintindihan yon, that's on him. That's not on you. You gave everything. Okay? Ganon. Yun yung stand ko in life. Wala akong nakakatakot yung mga changes. Ngayon, yung mga ginagawa ko, ito, recording and everything. Nagla-live ako dun sa other app. I'm trying everything, ganyan-ganyan. That is the change that I'm currently working on in my life kasi masyado akong nasa comfort zone ko. So ngayon uncomfortable ako, like hindi naman sa sobrang uncomfortable actually. Kung uncomfortable ako, hindi aabot ng 40 minutes itong talk na 'to na akala ko wala akong masasabi. Okay? Uncomfortable ako. Ibig sabihin, ayun, may nagbabago kasi wala ako sa comfort zone ko. So I want to work on myself sa ganun. Yun, single pa rin ako kasi I'm open ako sa changes. In-accept ko na, I'm not accepting this type of treatment. I'm not tolerating this attitude. Not just on that relationship to the other encounters then. Previously, before that relationship nga Oh, dagdag na naman. Auntie, ano to, 1 hour? Previously, from that relationship, meron din akong isang sobrang tagal ko siyang nakausap. Ayun. He made the joke, actually. I don't think he knows why I stopped talking to him. He made a joke about something inappropriate na wala ako dun sa nung nag-uusap sila. I just heard it from other person. And he made a joke about it. Ayoko na lang i-disclose kung ano kasi malalaman niya siya yun. Which I doubt na mapapanood niya to. But still, he made a joke about something. So, ayun. That's a no-no for me as an achiever sa school. Hindi pwede sa akin yung joke na sinabi niya. And about sa akin yun. Tapos wala ako doon and everything. Kung nandun man ako, hindi pa rin yun pwede. I stopped talking to him. I did not tell him why. I'm sorry, but I did not tell him why. Pero, alam mo yun, do I need to explain? If naisip niya yon or if nagkaroon siya ng chance na mag-joke about that something, I'm sure talagang sumagi sa isip niya yun. Yeah. I don't want that attitude, okay? I don't want others to do, or I don't want him to do that. Actually, he's not doing it at that time naman. But if what we had grew more, and he actually did what he made a joke about, madedehado ako. I know I can thrive, I can still, alam mo yun, matatapos ko pa rin yung plans ko and everything, kasi that's my promise kasi sa sarili ko. Uh, During sa college ako, whatever decisions or whatever relationship man ang pasukin ko, I promised myself na ibibigay ko talaga yung diploma sa parents ko. So, I juggle everything. 'Di ba? Nag-relationship ako, hindi pa ako graduate. So, I juggle everything. I made sure kahit wala na akong tulog and everything. Kasi, I was open to change. But but alam mo yun, yung ending, different path lang yung ginawa ko kasi nagkaroon ako ng relationship. But the end product is sabi ko should be graduate ako agad on time, dapat diploma, ganyan, ganyan, everything. O, 'di ba? O, nagawa ko siya. Wala akong tulog. Imagine, um, nasa, kasi running for ano kami, running for laude, ganyan, ganyan. So, hindi kami pwedeng magkaroon ng, he's very supportive. Hands down talaga. Everything, lagi talaga siya nandyan. Hatid sundo, ganyan, 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 ganyan. Diba? Everything. Activities, pictures, nandyan siya lahat. Kilala na siya ng department namin. Ganon. Oh. So, yun yung example ko pala ng Meet Halfway. Feeling ko kinuwento ko na lahat. So, paano na yung ibang chapters dito, 'di ba? Wala na akong masasabi niyan. Ay, hindi naman pala 'to. Bakit single ka pa rin yung kinikwento ko kasi hindi ako single nun. We met I mean, minute ko siya halfway. Or, hindi naman siguro fully halfway or something. Pero, both ends made an effort during those times. 'Di ba? Regardless na like wala na akong time kasi individual ako dapat sa thesis, malayo yung OJT ko, and everything. Tapos siya, during those, lagi siyang, nung time na nasa school lang ako, lagi niyang hinahatid ako, sundo, ganyan, ganyan. So, late na kaming nakakauwi, working din siya and ganyan, ganyan. So, wala akong tulog masyado kasi kailangan may time pa ako para sa kanya, o, 'di ba? Hmm. Lalabas pa kami, kakain kami sa labas, ganyan, ganyan. I made everything, ginuggle ko talaga yun kasi ginusto ko yun eh. Kasi gusto ko yung diploma makuha ko pa rin, o 'di ba? So, kailangan may time pa din ako sa kanya, ganun. If nagawa niya na lahat-lahat ng yan, sa'min kasi nagkaproblema lang naman kasi nagkalayo. Won't work pala sa amin yung LDR. Yan. Yeah. Don't be scared of change. Be uncomfortable, okay lang yan. Nasasabi ko lang actually yung be uncomfortable kasi nagagawa ko na siya ngayon. Pero, yeah, sabi nila be uncomfortable. Not uncomfortable na isa ha. Yung be uncomfortable dahil wala ka sa comfort zone mo. Kapag naging uncomfortable ka na, if masyado kang nasa comfort zone mo, ibig sabihin may something's happening na sa'yo. Yeah. Something's happening na sa'yo. I don't know how to end this. Pero magwa 1 hour na kasi. So I need to. Ayun. If you don't like what you're seeing and getting, all you need to do is change it. Embrace change. Okay lang yan. Kakayanin mo yan. Love yourself more. If feeling mo, hindi mo deserve kung saan kanila or anong sitwasyon binibigay niya sa iyo, probably hindi mo talaga yung deserve. Kasi you felt it na eh. Okay? And also, if you're in a relationship naman, make sure to do your part then. Wag lang yung alis agad na tapos ikaw pala din ang problema, ha? Advice ko lang um, give everything you can responsibly, okay? Responsibly. Wag yung bigay ka ng bigay, wala ka palang maibibigay. Hindi pera, ha? Alam mo yun? Wag mo rin ubusin yung sa'yo, okay? Give everything you can. Be beyond that if kaya mo talaga and everything, but don't lose yourself in the process, okay? Live with no regrets, okay? If feeling mo talaga hindi mo na deserve yun, at least aalis kang wala kang regret. Nagawa mo lahat. Sila na lang yung hindi nila nagawa yung part mo. Kausapin mo sila and everything. Pag wala pa rin pagbabago, hopeless na talaga, alis na. Kasi kung nagagawa nila yun ngayon, probably magagawa rin nila yun sa susunod. If maliit pa lang yung nagagawa nila sa'yo and you're letting it pass, they'll probably do more in the future. Yeah, I hope you will have sa mga nasa relationship, I hope you are happy, genuinely happy. I'm so glad para sa inyo, to be honest. Super. I love love, I don't hate love. Maybe I don't hate love. I love love, okay? And I love it when I see people in love. Yeah. Minsan naisip ko maybe that's not for me, but I'm not losing hope. Yeah, I'm not losing hope. Yun. But if it comes, I hope okay na ako. Actually, gusto ko okay na ako financially as in. And mentally, I can work on that. Emotionally, yeah, I can work on that. Alam mo yun, siguro na sa age na kasi tayo na magse-settle. But if not naman, it's okay lang din. I love life. I love my life right now. Naiyak ako sa K-drama. Naiyak ako sa ang tawag dito? Mm, hopecore, yung ganun, di ba? Natutuwa ako sa mga taong in love and everything, yun. To answer to answer this question, bakit single ka pa rin with the chapter 2, ayoko na kasing yung pattern na meron ako with the people I encountered from the past is yun pa din yung same pattern. Oh my gosh. Gusto ko ngayon talaga to meet someone na personal kaming mag-uusap and everything, ganyan-ganyan. Though digital na ngayon and everything, okay lang din naman yun. I'm open to that. I feel like I'm mature enough to handle long distance. Actually, I can handle naman eh. Kahit dati pa naman I can handle. But I can't handle someone who don't have initiative. Initiative, alam mo yun? And EQ of also. I want someone who understands thoughts. Halata naman siguro ang dami kong iniisip, 'di ba? Siging salita. Yeah, I'm that type of person. So I hope he can handle that. Gusto ko lagi nakakwento. Yeah. Yeah. So that's that. Baka maubos ko na. Baka lahat ng sinabi ko para na yun sa ibang chapter. Tapos wala na akong masabi. Umulit-ulit na lang. Anyways, thank you. Thank you for staying. I hope you stay, ha? If not, I understand. Sobrang haba ng talk ko ngayon. Should I edit it? I want it raw kasi eh. Yeah. If you are in love right now, if you have a relationship and you're very happy, I'm happy for you. But if you are in a situation na you don't want to be, assess everything, and alis na if hindi na talaga ano. And it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hindi malungkot maging single. Malungkot maging single. Masaya kasi maka-travel ka. I mean, at least sa akin ba, nakapag-travel ako. Nagagawa ko 'to. Nakaka-travel talaga. I attend concerts and everything. I can do fangirling, I can watch drama. Malungkot siya minsan actually, like kanino ko ikukuwento, saan ako uuwi, wala akong masakyan. Nakakatawa yun, 'di ba? Wala akong masakyan kasi I don't drive. Kanino ko ikukuwento na, inaway ako ni ano, gano'n. But it's okay. Ano lang yun, paminsan-minsan lang, mga konting times lang nami-miss mo. Pero yung peace na meron ka kapag ka nakilala mo or mas na kilala mo yung sarili mo during the time that you are single is it's very, very rewarding to know yourself more. Like, kaya ko pala to. Yeah. I hope you had a good life. I mean, I hope you will have a good life. I hope you are happy, whatever or wherever or whoever you are with. Stay in love to those in love, to those single. Hi, ako din. Eme. Thank you for listening. Ang haba ng, ayun. Yeah, thank you for listening.